Good morning, dear students. St. Mary's Convent School, Mariam Nagar. Class LKG, Subject EVS. I am your EVS teacher and welcome you to your EVS class. Today we will learn chapter number 9, Birds. What are birds? Birds have feathers and wings. They can fly in the sky. There are so many different types of birds. Let's know them. Number 1, hen. Hen is brown or black or white in color. Hen has strong beak on its face. Hen has a red comb on its head. Number 2, duck. Duck is white in color and has strong beak. They live in water. Number 3, sparrows. Sparrows are small birds. They make their nest on trees to lay eggs and hatch them. Number 4, crow. Crow are birds with shiny black feathers. They often live together in large families. Number 5, pigeon. Pigeons are intelligent birds. They can carry messages to distant places and they were used as messenger. Number 6, parrot. Parrot is commonly green in color and has a curved beak. They eat nuts, grains, seeds and especially loves chili. Number 7, owls. Owls are active at night. They have powerful claws which help them catch their prey. Owls have large eyes and a flat face. Let's learn some questions. Question number 1. Name any 5 birds. Hen, crow, duck, owl, parrot. Say with me again. Hen, crow, duck, owl, parrot. Question number 2. Recognize the given birds. Which bird is this? Tell me. Tell me. Yes, this is hen. Number 2. Tell me which bird is this? This is duck. Very good. Number 3. Tell me, recognize the bird. Which is this? Sparrow. Very good. Recognize this bird. Which bird is this? This is crow. Which bird is this? Recognize them. This is pigeon. Which bird is this? Recognize them. This is parrot. Which bird is this? Recognize them. This is owl. Very good, students. Learn the given questions. Thank you and have a nice day.